Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Now in this tutorial we are going to talk about this spelling and grammar, thesaurus, and now word counts. Now spelling and grammar, what does it mean? Now let's say you want to write a sentence and you made mistakes. Now this spelling and grammar is going to correct it for you. Now, how do you do that? So let's say for the first one is spelling and grammar. Now, I wanted to write today is a beautiful day. Today is a beautiful day. So you can see all the text have been underlined with red zigzag line, meaning the grammar it is wrongly spelled. So how can I correct that? That is where I can use the spelling and grammar. Now, in order to activate that, there are two ways. The short way is put the cursor on the word or the text. Now, right-click on the mouse. Now, you can see it's going to give you the options over here. And the same thing applies to this. It's going to give you the options. Now, the same going to give you the options over there, and this as well. So, or the other one too is go to the review tab. Now go to the review tab and now click on the ABC over here. That's the spelling and grammar. Click on that. Now when you click on this, it's going to start from here. Now today is a beautiful day that I wanted to write. So it's going to check the first one, this day. This is the suggestions. So let's choose the correct one. So day. Now if you want to change, let's click on the change. Now it's going to change. Now let's see for today. So today, and that is the TDY over here. Now let's search for the correct one. So here we are not getting any correct one over here because we wanted to write today and we had this. So it is not here. Now let's go to the other one. So ignore this or okay, so let's ignore that. Now let's go to, so we've added. So that's the add. And the add is where this is not found in the dictionary here. That's the suggestion here. You can add it. So we've added. Now this SI here, it is, and it has been selected here for us. So now let's go to change, and the beautiful here, that's the correct one, change. Now you can decide to change all at once. So let's see when, okay, so you can decide to change all at once. The same, go to the grammar check. Now ignore all, we have ignore once, ignore or add. So let's see this word over here. If you want to add any to the dictionary, it's going to add it. If not, see we have change all and autocorrect. So you can just go to change all, then you click on once, change all, then let's see for the autocorrect. Okay. So when you click on any of them, it's going to change it. So after that, can just add the same, it's not found there, we need to correct it ourselves. So that's the spelling and the grammar. Now let's go to that one, that's the thesaurus. Now what is thesaurus? Now this gives you a synonyms. Synonyms are words related. So today, tomorrow would be a great day. Now this great, we want a synonym word that is similar to that, the great. Now put the cursor after the word, or that's the back in front of the word or the text, and now click on the thesaurus. It's over here. Thesaurus, click on that. Now as soon as you click on that, you see it's going to give you a numerous word that can use to replace the word great. So let's see. So the great here we have large, immense, enormous, eminent, huge. So let's see. Let's pick for the, okay, so now we have an excellent day. Tomorrow is going to be an excellent day or fantastic. Okay, a wonderful. So tomorrow is going to be a wonderful day. Okay, so we have these are the lists over here. So let's say impressive. Now, so, okay, so impressive. All right, so now you can see you can have a lot of these, and these are all synonyms or words related to the word great. Now let's see if you want to replace it with any of these. Just right click on the word. So let's see notable, skillful, talented, celebrated. We have a lot over here, and let's find and if we can have good. Okay, let's say you want to accept fantastic, good, good day. So now just right click and then go to insert. Now once you go to insert, it's going to insert that word into this place. So that is a thesaurus. Now it gives you the synonym or the nearest words that can be used to replace that word. Now let's go to the word count. The word count here counts the number of words you've typed. Now when you check under the status bar, it is over here. So when you click on this, it's going to pop up and you have the page, number of pages to word is 24, characters 113. So it gives you the various divisions. Or you can just go to the same thing over here, that's the same review tab. Now go to the review tab and at the same time the word count over here. Now you're going to have the same thing. So it's either two ways, either you click on the status bar or you go to the review tab and click on the word count. So that is it for the spelling and grammar, thesaurus, and the word count. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.